welcome back to the Recipe Rookie. This is a show where I teach myself how to cook one meal at a time, and hopefully you learn along with me. Today we're making the classic Italian favorite, homemade chicken parmesan. This dish has crispy breaded chicken, rich marinara sauce, and gooey melted cheese. I want to thank each and every one of you who have watched an episode, have hit that like button, commented below, and of course, stayed subscribed. We have all the ingredients right here. Let me show you. Thin sliced Perdue chicken breasts, flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, oregano, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and Parmesan cheese, marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese. Let me make sure it's not poison. It's not poison. And of course, it has to go on some pasta. Today's beer, Dogfish Head 60-minute IPA. It's time to bread the chicken, but first, we gotta crack some eggs. And I've got my little handy dandy thing here. So I've been told now I can do it all. Oh wait, that's right, take out the other egg there. Ready? In. And then, oh! Oh, shh. Ah. Oh no, what happened? It broke. I'm gonna beat this. First, we're gonna put the chicken breast in the flour. That's gonna coat it all. Then we're gonna put it into this egg as the glue, and then put in the breadcrumbs and the seasoning to give it that nice crispy flavor. And the better I put it on, the crispier it's gonna be. I think that looks pretty good. We got the thinly cut chicken here, but you could get a regular size chicken. I think it even says, yeah, this is thinly sliced chicken breast. You can get a regular chicken breast and cut it in half. Oh wow, these are really thin. Look at that. All right, we put it in here, one side. Oh, all right. Look at that. Step one. Okay. Now we go in here. All right, and so that's what it should look like. Second one. How many do I have in this package here? I would assume 6, because that seems to be what cooking likes. Connect that. My wife thinks I act like Pee Wee Herman when I'm cooking. All right, into the glue. Got to get in those nooks and crannies. Number 2. Why is it? No. Okay, here's a third one. Look at them moving right along. I don't know if I ever told you this story. I had a bottle of baby powder, and my idea was to just make it look like it snowed in my room. And boy, was my mom not happy about that. They took away my Nintendo. All right, 2 more to go.
Take it.
And into the breadcrumbs. Look at that. Number 4. This one might be hard to get breading to stick to it. There's really not a lot of egg on it. Okay. I'm getting better, as you can tell. I'm not making as many mistakes. All right, let me get these off. Not make a mess. It's time to get these, in the frying pan. Let's head over to the stove. Okay, now we're gonna fry these up with some hot oil. We're gonna use medium to high heat. So on my scale of 1 to 9, we're giving it like a 6. We're gonna do a couple minutes to each side, or just until they turn nice golden brown. We don't wanna rush it because crispy is key. Let's begin. We're gonna use a half a cup of vegetable oil. This is what's gonna fry it. Okay, we're gonna let that oil heat up real fast. Hello, friend. Are you a fan of chicken parm? Sir, what do you wanna look over there? That's oil. Okay, I'll put you down. Hey Google, I'm not gonna use you today.
I'm sorry you think that.
I can do a lot.
Oh, really? What else can you do that doesn't mess up every time? Hey, Google, how do you feel that I might have to switch to using Alexa?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah, you never understand.
Thank you for being so patient. If you have time, could you repeat it?
I am so patient with you all the time, and you just try to do different things that I don't want. Hey, Alexa, why don't you say hello to everyone?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa, do you know how to help me better than Google?
I don't know that one.
I'm working with morons. What's that clicking noise? Oh,
Here's the definition of click.
no.
Short, sharp sound with a switch being operated or of two hard objects.
I think we're ready to go. Okay, one. Now, we're gonna put these in, and it's basically gonna be like just a couple minutes. Looks like 2 at a time is all I can really go with right here. Let that fry up. Why don't you tell me a joke?
Why did the Scarecrow keep getting promoted? Because he was outstanding in his field.
You didn't even give me a chance to answer. All right, how much time's left?
You've got 9 seconds remaining.
All right. Okay, we're gonna flip it. Now, these are thin, like I said, so we have to really watch what we're doing here. Listen to that, can you hear it? That's the sound of great things happening. I'm really excited for this one. This is something that I feel like I'm gonna really enjoy. I think the kids are really gonna like this too. Okay, we're gonna take these out. Okay, we're gonna put 2 more on. I'm gonna try to get 3 on this one. Hey Google, what holiday is tomorrow?
I don't know, but I found these results on search.
How do you not know? It's President's Day. Hey Google, show me the timer.
It looks like you don't have any timers.
Oh, one. I did set one. Hey Google, set a timer for 1 minute and 30 seconds. All right. Look at that. Okay, let's flip this guy. Now we'll take these crispy beauties and put them on a baking dish. We'll put some marinara sauce, get it nice spread out, and then we'll add the cheese. Now it's time to take these crispy beauties, put them in this baking dish, scoop in some marinara, but not too much. We don't want it to get soggy. Then put on some Parmesan cheese and mozzarella, and then we put in the oven at 375 for 12 to 15 minutes. Let's assemble. Chicken Parm, assemble. These in here. They can do a little overlap. Oh, I can definitely get all these on. Okay, that looks great. Marinara. Is it marinara or marinara? Why don't you comment below? Okay. Get that nicely spreaded there. Remember, not too much. We don't want it soggy. Next, the mozzarella. And we're gonna be very generous with the cheese. And who doesn't love that ooey gooey cheese? I think that looks pretty good. Okay, Parmesan cheese. Okay. We got it all set here. Let's go put it in that oven at 375 for, they say 12 to 15. We're gonna do 13, let's be honest. No, we're gonna do 13 and a half. That's what we'll do. Let's head over to the oven. Sting gloves are activated. We've already got it preheated, 375. We're gonna take our beautiful chicken parm, put it in, nice in the center rack. Hey Google, set a timer for 13 minutes and 30 seconds.
Second timer for 13 minutes and 30 seconds. Starting now.
While that's baking, let's get our pasta going. We're gonna add some natural sea salt to this boiling water. Once this starts boiling, we'll throw that pasta in there. It's time for the pasta. Today we're using Giant brand spaghetti made with durum wheat. Here we go, we're gonna put it in. Oh, okay. Let that pasta cook. Easy peasy, and we'll put the chicken parm on when it's ready. Okay, to go along with our fabulous meal tonight, we decided who needs a vegetable when we have Texas toast garlic bread. We're gonna put this in the oven for 6 minutes to go along. You'll see it later on the plate. Okay, timer's gone off and it's time to check out what we've made. Ooh, look at what we've got here. Oh my! All right, we're gonna put this over here so we can get that plated. And then if you can see here too, there's the Texas toast garlic bread. We'll give that another more minute, get a little bit more dark golden. Let's get this plated up. Okay, we've got the chicken parm out of the oven. I've got my plate here with some pasta marinara sauce and the garlic bread. Let's go with this guy right here. Okay, put that on there. See that right there? Look at that. It's time to see what we've made. We got some chicken. Let's get a little bit of pasta. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and the ooey gooey cheese. I think we have a winner here. I give it a big 2 thumbs up. We will see what my family thinks as well. Chicken parm?
Yeah. It's good.
All right, the man with no shirt.
Don't say that.
Really?
That's pretty good.
All right, enjoy. So that's homemade chicken parmesan recipe rookie style. If I can do it, you can do it too. Make sure if you like this episode, please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, we really appreciate it if you just log in and hit that subscribe button. Remember, it's free to do. Comment below if you liked the episode or if you have any other comments. And if you have any recipe ideas, please put them in the comments below. I'm making a list of everyone's recommendations so I can always have something to bring to you every Friday. For all of us here at the Recipe Rookie, thank you. And remember, let's cook. You want some chicken parm, dog? Dance. Dance with me. Dance, dance like we never danced before. What are you doing up there? What? No, what? Hey, what are you doing? No! Stay back! Beast! No! What are you doing?